away to Amandla, away to power is ours. This is what my people cried out in South Africa for freedom and diversity. Te moana nui o te kanero, the ocean, wide and vast, stretched out to an infinite limit. Mysterious, unpredictable, sometimes so tranquil, and then so fierce. I look into the ocean. I'm scared, I have to admit. I'm oblivious, unheeding, and in complete confusion. But then I pause, and I look into the ocean, then so reflective, so transparent. Wait, I am the ocean. I am the ocean. I stretch out wide. My attitudes, my thoughts, behavioral responses, emotions I cannot hide. Wide and vast, I cover the earth. Like the waters, there's many of us. I am the ocean. I cannot be read. I am calm and soothing and so accepting. Come to me. I'll bring you peace. I see no difference. I'm home to fins and feathers, skin and scales, home to all I freely give. I welcome you warmly. Abide in me. I am the ocean, strong and influential, yet I don't even see my own strength. The influence and impact I can make by taking the first step. Wait, stop. Today I despise you all. I feel like a whirlpool. Be my victim. I take delight in seeing you squirm, your hands stretched out wide, crying for my help. But I kick you in the face, and I watch you drift away, deeper and deeper until you sink to the bottom of my floor. Helpless. I am tossing to and fro like the waves, can't make up my mind on how to be, to embrace or not. I am the ocean. I am not free. I am never accepted for truly being me. So I stop to take a look, a deep look into me. Am I truly open to diversity? Are we truly open to diversity? Oh no, we are not. We are not portraying authenticity. Why? Why would I be so fake? I'm so tired of trying, tired of persevering, tired of telling people to try it. It doesn't help. Tired of claiming to be so accepting and diverse when all we're really committed to is us, ourselves. Where is the cultural identity that we claim to embrace? The struggles that we're not afraid to face. I am still looked at incompatibly. This world has hardened me just as they have everybody. I am so tired of the same racism that killed over 50 individuals in the Christchurch shootings. Tired of the same racism that ignored the voice of George Floyd. Tired of the same segregation that tells my people to go back to where we have come from. And I am so sick and tired of the same discrimination that forced me, a new migrant just 2 years ago, to spend my lunchtimes in the school toilets just to avoid the hateful comments directed to me. Why? Because of this? What about this? What about this? What about this? Does it not matter to you? I am the ocean. I am us. Always changing, never sure, always contradicting, there is no cure. I am the ocean. I am us. Wanting what's best just for me, when actually, there's many similarities. Oh, I can see it so clearly now. Te moana nui o te kanero. The importance of inclusivity and acknowledging the different perspectives, values, and cultures that our individuals bring to our community. Or even just to me. Yes, to me. Elke druppel in die oceaan bring sy eie waarde, net soos elke kultuur wêreld verryk. Every drop in the ocean brings its own value, just as every one of our beautiful cultures enriches our world. I am better because of you. I am stronger when we're together. I am the ocean. I am us. We are the ocean. Together we mean much. One simple action, one move of acceptance, one simple gesture, one reaction of kindness. Umuntu numuntu nabantu. I am because you are, and you are because I am. So how can we play our parts in creating a world that is more diverse? Like the tides, we need to wash away the wrong and make way for new change. Like the ocean's currents, we need to uplift each other instead of dividing completely. And like the waves, we need to rise together as one voice, amplifying the unheard, shaping a world where diversity is a force and not just a simple gesture. Ladies and gentlemen, diversity should be more than just a moment. Diversity is a movement. I encourage you today, ask questions about the cultures around you. Like the outfit I'm wearing today. Every color, every bead, every stitch has its story. Ask someone about theirs. South Africa is known as the Rainbow Nation. Therefore, these colors coming together symbolizes the different races coming together in unity. These are the colors of the African National Congress, a political party that was led by Nelson Mandela, who fought so hard for our freedom. Ask someone about their story. During the regionals, I had the amazing opportunity of meeting so many inspirational and captivating people. But to name one, I got to meet the inspirational MP of Takanini, and her name is Rima. She is so warm and loving and kind towards me and my family. So when I got home that evening, I decided to do some research. And I discovered that she is of Lebanese origin. And it hit me. I know nothing about the Lebanese culture. These beautiful cultures, so many around us that we know nothing about. So where are you? Come forth. Tell me who you are. I want to hear your stories. I want to hear your voices. Today, I challenged myself. And I did that by incorporating Te Reo Māori into my speech today. Why? Because I want to learn more about this beautiful culture, this land that I am living in. So I took the first step. I challenge you all to do the same. In my speech today, I've challenged myself. I have challenged you. Now, I challenge the education system. I propose culturally inclusive curriculums that weaves in different cultures and histories into every lesson. Not just during Diwali, not just during Black Lives Matter month, but every single day. I also want to implement student voice panels, a weekly time where us students can gather together to hear one of our very own share their story. No professionals needed, just the real, authentic experiences from our very own rangatahi. I come from an amazing school within Auckland in Flatbush called Ormiston Senior College. And we are made up of about 180 different ethnicities. Yet, I can only name you a handful. That has to change. I want to hear your stories. I want to hear your voices. Ladies and gentlemen, it took me just 8 minutes today to influence you all, to get you to listen to what I have to say. Yesterday, there was 21 rangatahi standing before you, all convincing you that racism is a cause worth fighting for. Now, you do the math. That's 168 minutes spent on just one day talking about cultural diversity. And I know without a doubt that you have all left that event feeling motivated and uplifted. Now here's what I want you to imagine. Imagine if every single person, not just in this room, but across our beautiful Aotearoa, just took 8 minutes to change your life. 5,311,100 people, 8 minutes each. What a difference we could make. So you've all heard my speech, right? Loud and clear. But all of this, it means nothing. It means nothing if we cannot practice what we preach. We need to come together as one in unity, for change will not come from an individual, but rather collectively. E hara takutoa e te toa takitahi, he toa takitani. For my strength is not that of an individual, but rather that of the collective. Thank you.